Hello everyone and welcome to the new episode of Hello Creativity. So in this new episode, what's new? New is the activity that I'm going to make you do. So what is new about this activity? After so many DIY activities for Halloween, for Diwali, I am finally decided to make a learning developmental activities for children. So what is this activity all about? This activity is called as the Word Builder Travel Kit. So suppose if you are traveling or if you have a long journey with your child and if you want to keep your child engrossed in some or the other activity and not get disturbed or cranky during your travel, and now you would be thinking, since it's a travel activity, it will be very difficult to make. No, you're wrong in this. It's a very easy activity with minimalistic materials used in it. So what are you waiting for? Let's just dig into this activity and get to know more about this activity to how to make it. And at the end of the video, I'm going to tell you the benefits of this activity. So stay tuned till the end of this video. So let's move ahead and see what are the materials used for these activities. And let me tell you, parents, you can use minimalistic materials for this activity. It is very easy to make and very handy to carry in your purse, in your bag, in your handbag, or even in your child's bag. And if you're willing to watch more such DIY, more such art and craft and more such learning developmental activities, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you want to be the first one to see the new episode that I posted, then hit the bell icon too. Now let's get back to our activity, the Word Builder Travel Kit, and let's see how do we make it. So parents, wasn't it super easy and very handy to carry everywhere? Yes. So now I'm going to tell you two things. One is the substitute materials that you can use if you don't have any of these. So for ice cream sticks, instead of ice cream sticks, you can use the cardboards. You can cut out small cardboards and put a magnet behind it and you can stick it. If you don't get magnet, then don't worry, you can always use a Velcro. The two-sided Velcro. Stick one side of the Velcro on the tin, on the cap of the tin, and the other side of the Velcro on each of the cardboards that you cut out and where you write the words on it. Other than that, for the letters, if you don't get the magnetic letters, then don't worry, all you can do is use the wooden letters which are easily available at the stationery near to you. If not that, then you can always use foam sheets. You can write the alphabets on it, and then you can stick the magnet behind it and you can use it. And now the alternative for the metal tin. Instead of the metal tin, you can use any cardboard box. You can use if you don't have magnets or magnetic alphabets, you can, again, as I said, you can use the Velcro instead of it. These were some of the substitutes that you can use if you don't have these materials. Now let's get to the benefits of this activity. As I promised to you, I will let you know the benefits of this activity. First of all, the child is quite engrossed and it's quite an interesting and fun activity for the child. Secondly, the benefit is it is on the go, it's very handy to carry. Thirdly, it improves the concentration of the child. The child is able to imitate each letter and put each letter below it and start forming a word. With that, if you verbalize the phonic sound of the word of each letter, then the child will easily learn the letters and with no time taken, it will be on the go. These were some of the benefits of this activity. Why don't you try and let me know how did you like this activity and what all did you use as a substitute material or the same material. Let me know how is it and I'll be waiting for your comment. So till then, now it is a bye-bye from my side, and we all will meet you at the next episode of Hello Creativity, and keep making different DIY activities, keep making different learning and developmental activities, and grow the CQ of your child, that is the creative quotient of your child. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and just say hello to creativity.